Hey, I'm Evan Morris with Atlanta Ceramic Coating and PPF. Today we're going to be protecting a first edition Bronco. So when we got the Bronco in, right off the bat, we disassembled what we could because we knew we were going to be tucking PPF and needed to access different areas. So we pulled belt moldings, door handles, fender flares. So with the numerous substrates that we're dealing with on the Bronco, from the textured roof to the PPF that we're protecting, the vinyl that we had to remove and then get some new OEM vinyl and reinstall, we had to figure out what coatings we were using. From the frame rails to the fender liners, we used the appropriate coatings. So with any car that comes in, we try to assess what the usage and the needs of protection are going to be. So with a Bronco, doors are coming off. We wanted to make sure that we wrapped everything in PPF as best as possible, so it would prevent any damage that's happening in between coming off or being put in the garage or in the trunk. So we wrapped every edge that we possibly could, and same thing for the hood, even though it's probably not going to come off, hopefully, but it and the fenders are wrapped as well as the quarters. So we put Expel Ultimate PPF on this vehicle. So with using Expel, we have the advantage of getting kits pretty early in production. So this is only the second Bronco in Atlanta, to my knowledge, and we already had kits ready to go. So we didn't have to mess around with bulking hood and fenders and stuff like that. We had kits ready to go, and we did bulk doors just because we wanted to get that extra coverage around the back and the front sides. But for quarters and all the little pieces, they had them ready to go for us.
It doesn't fit.
Oh, I get it, like okay. So with the roof, we went with Gtechniq Ultra. Best protection for a single layer coating on the market. So that's what we applied to the top. For the PPF, of course, we use the tried and true Halo, which is the flexible film coating. And then for frame rails and fender liners, we went with C1, C4, depending on metal or plastic. So we set our customer up for years of enjoyment and protection. He doesn't have to be as stressed out when he's pulling the doors off. and he's definitely going to enjoy a easy to clean vehicle for years to come.